Kasihi wa kwas. You see? Kasi. You people kasi. Niman Somaliyeed waa ka soo carare nin madowba iga keena aniga you know Soomaalida guskiina ka shaqeeya gus balaq guso saan ah you see them I will teach you a lesson Soomaalida ku helo saan you gonna teach me a lesson with this. We've moved on we know there are better things out there nimanka madowga wallahi. Okay, aniga nin Somali waligine guma arkis doontaan. I'm just telling you right now. You will never see me with a Somali nigga. I am done with them. They can't fuck. Gus was sidan o balak balak. Maalin kasta I'm telling you people, stop sigeso. Stop sigeso. Sigeso is make your gus balak balak. You don't want to hear. Hada wa baba mano sen baba. Nagihi waiting ka carare. Aniga hada qof. Ninka sidaan jeclahay. Okay. I don't want to hear Somali. Nin Somali Kashin Farah. Yeah. Damn. Don't come to me and send me messages. I'm done. One il Bahr Sabi. Oh my god. Oh shit. Fuck. Wallahi hablo Somalida. Please. Nimanka Somaliyeed hawasina go out there, explore. Wallahi bilai talai waxaan yaro san. If you try other people out there, you're gonna be crazy. I think it's yesterday. Wallahi one chirida all day. Oh, Somali. Oh my God, you guys supposed to do better. You know, I'm telling you, Sige Sada, you have to stop Sige. So it's not good for you. Gus becomes balak balak because it's like a skin. It's like nasa hamarka tuchinesid. Halkan ay gaadasa. You see, it's like ilmaha marka nasa nuga nasi wadayan. Gus ka na wasidas. The whole time you're masturbating become balak balak. Stop Sige. So the loss of $10 pegare was si fiican was garay maxaa sil wala gada maxaa suu dibasa guski tabcan buu noqonaya usoo balaq oo naf lahayn
مسند جماسو مكسرك وجدي جبري كحد ما توتا كرسي جبري كله لا مرام بكري جبري كوسي عدلي إمري ووريك قلي حوريك قلي ما بقول سيد جاي The boys مكسرك وجدي جبري كحد ما توتا كرسي جبري كله لا مرام بكري جبري كوسي عدلي إمري ووريك قلي حوريك قلي ما بقول سيد جاي